Okay, so we're living in a nightmare. I had to reset my computer last night and been working all day, about 12 hours, trying to reset everything. We're talking all my financial apps, my banking, YouTube, X, on and on and on, recovering passwords. It's been a nightmare, but the good news is it rained today. And Halo's loving the cool air. I spent 7 hours researching the death toll over approaching 1,000 in Venezuela, a bunch of other topics. I recorded a video with a screen recorder, and I even paid $69 for the year, but I couldn't get the activation code. Nothing worked out. And so there is no video tonight. Just a really happy Halo and a really pissed off Diamond who referred back to his gratitude list. I woke up this morning, it rained today, and well, just some things weren't meant to happen. Don't always get worked up by things going wrong. Almost did. But I realized that tomorrow's another day. And well, I emailed Ace Thinker Screen Grabber Pro, and hopefully they get me the activation code, and we'll have regular videos tomorrow. Be safe. We love you. And that is Boom.